Namaste, myself Dr. Pushpa Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Homeopathy Pharmacy, Faculty of Homeopathy Science at the Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today's the topic is old method preparation of according to Hahnemann. Master Hahnemann give the method of the preparation of drugs in the organon of medicine and in the different classes, and we study the 10 classes. So we'll start the topic. Class first. In this class, in this class, the plants have large quantity of juices, or mostly included in the European plants. The tincture is prepared by the mixing of equal parts by the weight of drug juice or and alcohol. Means equal quantity of juice of drug substance and alcohol are used in this class. The fundamental rules of the preparation of dilution and potentization in this class has been described in the Hahnemann's Materia Vedica Pura and under the drug of belladonna. Means the preparation of the belladonna uh, is prepared by according to this class. This class is applicable to most juicy plants, but not viscid material. Means means viscid materials means like resin, gums. This is not included in this class. And we study the preparation of mother tincture in this class. And some required material like substance of drug substance, that is fresh plant, strong alcohol, apparatus like wooden chopping board, knife, porcelain mortar and pestle, spatula, linen cloth, small clean beaker, glass topper pial, glass funnel with a stand, filter paper, clean pial, balance, pen, paper, gums, procedure. The fresh plant or plant parts like root, bark, leaves, etc. and cut into the small pieces with the help of chopping knife and chopping board. And after that, this process, the it pound the pulp into the porcelain mortar and pestle. And after the grinder of the grinder with the help of mortar and pestle, the uh, the pulp is enclosed in a clean linen cloth and used express by the means of press and by wringing the cloth. Wet the expressed juice and then pour into a glass jar. After immediately the equal quantity by weight of strong alcohol added to it in it, and after that the fermentation may take place. Shake the mixture for a few minutes and pour into a stoppered bottle. Allow this mixture for the 8 days in a cool, dark place. The clean scumbent fluid is uh, collected. This fluid is decanted and filtered. Pour this filtrated juice into the clean pial or provide the best quality and known for its velvet core. And how to calculate this drug power? Uh, we we take the drug substances one part and another same part of the vehicle like strong alcohol and mother tincture. We get the mother tincture means 1 plus 1, uh, and we get the mother tincture is two parts. Means the uh, mm, drug power uh, obtained from this solution is like 1/2. After that, we get the potency processed by the suction. In the sense milk scale, take 2 minimums of the mother tincture and 99 minimums of the dilute alcohol. Mix and give the 10 downward stroke and equal strength. The first potency ready, and the second we make the second potency, and we take the one part of the first potency and take 99 part of the dispensing alcohol and give the 10 downward stroke of equal strength. In decimal scale, for the making of first potency, take 2 minimums of the drug mother tincture and 8 minimums of the dilute alcohol. Mix this mixture and give 10 downward stroke for uniform strength. First potency is ready and further potency make by the this process. Some examples are the class first like aconite, belladonna, chamomilla, conium, cyanodone, bryophyllum, digitalis, calendula, etc. And after that, we study the class second. This class includes plants which contain only a small quantity of juices. These are mostly European plants. The fundamental rule for the preparation of this tincture in this class has been described in Matra Medica Pura under Thuja drug. The green leaf of the Thuja are first bruised of fine pulp by themselves, then stirred up with two-thirds of their weight of alcohol and then juice then expressed. This is applied to the non-mucilaginous material contained resin, solvents and volatile soil. Preparation of the mother tincture. Prepare the tincture to adding 2 parts of strong alcohol by weight of 3 parts of juices of the plant by weight of mean the ratio of 2 by third. Required material ingredients selected drug plants and strong alcohol. Apparatus like wooden chopping board, chopping knife, porcelain mortar and pestle, home spatula, clean beaker, stoppered PR, glass funnel, another clean PR, filter paper, balance, weight, pen, paper, gum, scissors. Procedure. The fresh plant or parts of the plants are cut into the small pieces with a well-polished steel knife or a clean chopping board. Bond them to a clean porcelain with mortar and pestle. Weight a chopped drug for every 3 parts of the drug. Added 2 parts of weight of alcohol. Moisten the entire quantity of the chopped drug with the juice of quantity of alcohol necessary to bring them entire mass into a thick pulp. After this, the remaining portion of alcohol is added to a drug and kept aside for 2 or 3 days. Strain about the mix through the piece of new linen cloth. Allow the tincture thus obtained to stand for 8 days and a well stopper bottle in a cool dark place. After 8 days, filter and pour the tincture into a clean PR. Provide with the best quality and velvet core. This in this class, the drug power is 1 by 2 cc. In centimole scale, we get first potency by through the suction. Take 2 minimums of the mother tincture and mix with the 98 minimums of dilute alcohol and give 10 downward stroke with uniform strength. The first potency is ready in the decimal scale. First potency for first potency take 2 minimums of the mother tincture and take 8 minimums of the dilute alcohol and give the 10 downward stroke for equal strength and one x potency is ready. Hope you all understand of this two class and we will study class third and fourth. Namaste.